So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at a new feature of WhatsApp. Now in the year 2022, WhatsApp has released quite many new features and one of such features allow you to message yourself. Well, this is pretty exciting because you can like have a list of to-do things or your personal notes. Now let's look at how this is done. Before we begin, it's important to note that you need to have the latest version of WhatsApp installed, and this is presently available in the Indian subcontinent. I hope that it will be available to use for all WhatsApp users across the world. Once you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed, go ahead and fire the app. Now inside the app, you need to tap on the message icon here. Now you will see right at the start, like just where the contacts start, you have the option of messaging yourself. So your number will be displayed, which earlier wouldn't be showing up. And here it says message yourself. So you simply tap on this and it clearly writes message yourself. I'll just zoom this up so that you can see. So this is basically the new feature wherein you can write like, vegetables, sorry, to be bought on Monday, something like blah blah blah. So some text or something to do, maybe a note kind of thing. So this is pretty exciting because it really helps you like have a track of personal records or maybe personal notes, something that you really want to remember. You don't want to keep carrying a diary, so you can make use of this. Earlier, without the feature, what I used to do is like I used to keep a group, which included myself with my alternate numbers, and then I used to post messages there. But now with this feature, message yourself, I think it's really cool. So I'll quickly kind of show you what we did here. So here is like WhatsApp. Here at the bottom, we have the message icon. Here under contacts on WhatsApp, the first option now clearly shows your name along with the message yourself option. Like we already said, the option here is basically provided so that you can keep a tab on personal records or maybe make use of it for note keeping or something similar. So hopefully all this is helpful. If it is, kindly consider subscribing, tap on the bell icon for notifications. Don't forget to write in the comment section on how you find this video, and please do share this with your friends and family. Would obviously love it if you can also share this or post this on your social media handles. That quite makes a huge difference to my channel actually. Well, that's all from my side. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.